Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am your trainer Ikra Khan and you are here on English Learning Point. So today I will explain you about the WH questions of present progressives. In my previous video I have explained you about I will let you know that what are WH questions and where to use them correctly. Alright. So when is used to ask about time, occasion or moment. Where is used to ask for the place or position. Who is used to ask about person. Why is used asking for reason or explanations. How is used for asking about manners. What we use asking about things. So these all are WH questions, and right now I will explain you the structure of WH. Okay, what is the structure of WH question? The structure is WH, like whatever the WH word will be there, like what, when, where, how, why, whatever it can be. And after WH question we have to put any helping verb like is, am, and are. Whatever the subject requirement, like if the subject will be I, then we'll be using am. If the subject could be you, we, or they, then we have to use are. If the subject will be he, she, it, or any singular name, then we have to put is. Alright, is it clear? Right, good. And we have to use present participle, means we have to use first form with ing form. Alright, like we have to use ing form and then the object. Am with I, you, we, they with are, he, she, it, and any singular name with is. Clear? For example, like we use first WH question, what, then we use is, because our subject is she, that is why we use here is. Why? Because we use is according to our subject, and the subject is she. Alright, and then present participle like ing form, playing. Remember one thing, that whatever the condition there is, whether it can be the affirmative form, negative form, or interrogative, whatever the formation of the sentence, we have to just put present participle here. Okay, is it clear that we have to put at any cost ing form? बस हमने ये देखना है कि भाई ये प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव्स है, प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस है, हमने ये देखते ही हमने यहाँ पे क्या यूज़ कर देना है, हमने ing फॉर्म यूज़ करना है. एंड वी हैव, ये भी चीज़ याद रखें दैट वी हैव ओनली 3 हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स ओवर हियर. एंड हाउ मेनी हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स आर देयर? वी हैव ओनली 3 हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स, इज, एम, आर. Is we use with the singular form, are we use with the plural form, and am we use with I. Okay, understand? So next sentence is, where are you coming from? Where is what? Where is WH question? Then are is a helping verb, we is a subject, we use are according to our subject, and subject is you, and then the present participle form, and then whatever we can put over here. Alright, like where are you coming from? So we use WH questions the starting of the sentence. Before our helping verb we use WH question. Okay, structure आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. Now let's move to the start of it. I have affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence is like I am eating. I am eating. Am I eating? What am I eating? I am not eating. Means I am eating, मैं खा रही हूँ. क्या मैं खा रही हूँ? मैं क्या खा रही हूँ? मैं नहीं खा रही हूँ. ओके, ये भी देखिए हमारा इंटरोगेटिव क्वेश्चन है और ये भी हमारा इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस है. लेकिन यहाँ पर जो हम हेल्पिंग वर्ब अपने स्टार्टिंग में लिखेंगे, ठीक है ना. हम इसमें यूज करेंगे स्टार्टिंग में हेल्पिंग वर्ब और जब यहाँ पर हमारे पास हमने यूज करना होता है WH क्वेश्चन. ओके, यू आर प्लेइंग, आर यू प्लेइंग, वेयर आर यू प्लेइंग, यू आर नॉट प्लेइंग, he is going, is he going, how is he going, he is not going, she is shouting, is she shouting, why is she shouting, she is not shouting, we are waiting, are we waiting, what are we waiting for, we are not waiting, it is happening, is it happening, why is it happening, it is not happening, they are preparing, are they preparing, when are they preparing, they are not preparing. So यहाँ पर we have discussed the chart. Over here we have these are our affirmative forms, and these are our interrogative sentences, and these all are real interrogative sentence, and these all are negative sentence. All right, understand? So here, where is John going? To a restaurant. He is going to the restaurant. What is he reading? He is reading the newspaper. When is he coming home? He is coming home at 9 p.m. Who is knocking at the door? My father is knocking at the door. Why are you shouting? Because I am sad. How is she speaking? She is speaking good. Now put the correct questions word. Dash is Alice doing? She is riding her bike. Dash is Alice riding her bike? She is riding her bike in the park. Dash is riding her bike. Alice is riding her bike. Dash is Alice riding her bike? She is riding her bike at 8 o'clock. Now what you need to do it over here, guys, listen to me very carefully. आपने यहाँ पे क्या करना है, आपने यहाँ पे WH क्वेश्चन जो है आपने फिल करने हैं. यहाँ पे नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस भी है. Dash is Alice riding her bike. She is riding her bike because she likes riding. Alright, what you need to do is over here. यहाँ पर मैंने आप लोगों को sentences दिए हैं. You have to think just for some minutes. Just you have to just think for 5 or more than 5 minutes. And think on it that हमने यहाँ पे जो हमने कौन सा WH क्वेश्चन यूज करना है ये आपने सोचना है. Okay, Dash is Alice doing? Alice क्या कर रही है? She is riding her bike. वो बाइक चला रही है. अब आपने सोचना है कि यहाँ पर कौन सा WH क्वेश्चन आएगा. Dash is Alice riding her bike. Alice जो है she is riding her bike in the park. पार्क से आपने रिकग्नाइज करना है, पार्क से आपने आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि वो जो है कहाँ बाइक चला रही है. ओके, यू हैव टू थिंक ऑन इट एंड देन यू हैव टू पुट हियर which WH question will be suitable for this blank. And Dash is riding her bike. Alice is riding her bike. You have to think on it. Dash is Alice riding her bike. She is riding her bike at 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. You have to think for some minutes. Dash is Alice riding her bike. She is riding her bike because she likes riding. Because she likes riding. So यहाँ पर जो आपके पास काफ़ी hints हैं. Just think on it and just imagine के means कि यहाँ पे कौन से WH questions suitable हैं in blanks के लिए. Okay? So here's the answer. What is Alice doing? She is riding her bike. Where is Alice riding her bike? She is riding her bike in the park. Who is riding her bike? Alice is riding her bike. When is Alice riding her bike? She is riding her bike at 8 o'clock. Why is Alice riding her bike? She is riding her bike because she likes riding. Okay, guys, you must have understood this chapter. If you have any question regarding this topic, so please must comment below and please let me know. I will clear all of your questions. Okay, thank you and happy learning.